Woza nendlebe ngize nendaba. Allegedly uyabona mfowethu ngizwe nje mina mawusuthi ubaba did visited him ukuthi hawu izobhimba yonke lento ozoyisho la. Kanti bengithi uza kahle phela nina abafowethu sinibone njengabantu abahlakaniphe kakhulu nabazi kangcono izinto uyabo lesinokuthi masibheka ne-following sisho sithi actually lo muntu ukhuluma into enengqondo. That's why he's being followed by so many people. But it's so disturbing. Angikhulumi ngalokho English, in fact English akuseyethu yafika nje yazosicolonize kuphela yabo. But ngikhuluma kulento oyikhulumayo nawe loya muntu uthi ubaba wakhuluma nobani no Clive W. Lewis. Wena uthi ubaba waba visit aboyi2. Firstly, X there wrong. Secondly, wena uthi ubaba akakhipha information ukuthi wayekhuluma nalabantu. Lo muntu ushilo ukuthi whatever that they trying to discuss no Clive azange ilunge. Ngoba wena awukwazi ukuthi ucabange phezulu kwaloko ukuthi ngikupha icredit engaka ukuthi uhlakaniphile, but awukwazi ukuzicabangela nje alone into positive. Already sowucabanga into negative. Ubaba wayeya lapha ya ngoba efuna labantu bakhuluma iqiniso, but they refused. Hence ubaba left them there until the other one died. Waphuma sekazofa that Clive lo wayekhuluma nobaba, and then kwasala sona lesiphukuphuku lesi. So nina out of all this thing sengiqala manje ngizokhola umuntu othi yena even namanje given a chance angabuyela obulala ubaba uChrisani. So nifuna ukuthi manje nibe sesidini lakho ukuthi ubaba there's something fishy there. Hayi bafethu man, yazi man, we give you too much credit for nothing. You don't deserve the credit that we give you. Even your followers must put you in line, unless if nonke nilandelana ngoba vele amakhanda wasebenza. Uyabona mina ngi-MK mina, but uma ngabe umuntu we-MK uyabona there are these people abazokutshela ukuthi ubaba is the only signatory lapha kwagogo, so he can just go and deregister. I put them in their place because there's nothing like that. Once you register an organization, that organization say nabantu. The organization is not your entity. It's an organization enabantu. So you cannot just go and deregister. You need these people ukuthi basign ukuthi yes you can deregister. So I always call them to order such people. So abantu abafana nawe shuthi balandelwa abantu abafana nawe, niyafana nonke ngokulandelana kwenu, because they should tell you mophuma endleleni ukuthi hayi baba no, so uphuma endleleni manje even though sikulandela mara so uyabheda. Ubaba yini akazoyikhuluma mawuthi akakhulume, because he went there, he tried to speak to these people, they refuse ukuthi bakhulume. So what is it that you want? Uthi abantu be-MK they are coming for you, they are correct to come for you because bayakubona ukuthi ingqondo yakho ayisebenzi, igcwele ubulongwe ingqondo yakho. Yeah man, yazi bengithi mangibona ama-post wakho ngize ngihleke because most of your posts vele ahlekisa. I'm surprised today mangikuza ukhuluma into ewukula kangaka. Vele ke angisajwayelanga nokubona ama-post akho. So kusho ukuthi recently vele you've been posting ubulongwe, that's why I don't even see your posts. Hayi man, ayisebenze lento man, sebenzisa lento. Abantu be-MK they must come for you people, because anisebenzisa ingqondo. It's like nina you are fighting the very same people who are fighting for our people. Kanti nina which side are you on kahle kahle? Nina lento nje ukuthi hayi it's concluded these are the corrupt people. You were told by the white person these are the corrupt people, and then you follow that. Kanti nina njani bafethu? Hayi man, yekani ukuba so, especially wena man. Hayi nga understand abo Zizipho, abo Takalani, abo Sagila, Zophuthu, whatever that guy is, but wena man, hayi man, I took you as someone who is using imedulla man. But now you are following the same suit. Ay man, you are disappointing. Nisho ukuthi bafethu labantu be-MK inhlaleni babona ngathi bayiziphukuphuku, yibo abahlakanipha ukudlula nini. No, apart from uZuma, even on the side kaMalema, thina there are things esizibona ezi-right ngoMalema, just like there are things esizibona ezi-wrong ngoMalema. But abantu abalandela uMalema they always see wrong things ngobaba uJacob Zuma. That's why they will always report izinto ezi-negative. They don't research whether this is true or not. Thina masikhuluma ngoMalema suke sikhuluma most of the things that were said by him. I always say this ukuthi asisukelani thina, akakusibone sikhuluma ipropaganda. or into esifisayo sikhuluma into esuyikhulunywa yileader yenu siveze emphakathini ukuthi ileader yenu uyayithe manje seyithi uyabo. So nina it's always negative even noma nibona ukuthi nani lento le iyabheda because angeke ungitshela ukuthi wena uhlakaniphile wena, but you are saying izinto ezingashiwo umuntu ongahlakaniphanga. So usho ukuthi lento kaZuma incindezela ngalendlela ukuthi uthatha inhlakanipho yakho uyikhiphe ngewindi. Hayi man, ngiyangidisappoint abafethu man. You can do better man. Even the ones that I'm talking about, bozizipho, once kwaqhamuka iskandali, sebathatha lo muntu okhuluma iskandali, bacindezele umuntu okukhulunywa ngayo without even hearing lo muntu ukuthi uthini. Hayi, bantu be-EFF shame, I know ni worse. Yet ni ku media platform. Phela this thing yaka tweet, yaka TikTok, media platform le. You should be using positively. Let me